guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, I've been going through some stuff, but I just wanted to hop on here and do a quick getting ready with me. I just wanted to put on some makeup and actually feel human again, if that makes sense. So stay tuned. And if you guys are out there and you've been going through some stuff too, then you feel me, leave some comments below. We can support each other. We're in this together. But anyways, let's get started. I'm going to actually start off by washing my face with, this is like my newest, favoriteest thing in the world. It's the Banilla cleanser. So it's Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. Take a little bit of this out. So that's usually all I use for my entire face. I will put it all over my face, and then it takes off anything left over that I didn't get off from the shower. You don't even need water with this, guys. It's just like the makeup melt, but it literally takes everything off. I am gonna splash a little bit of water on my face. I'll be right back. So my face is bright red from rubbing it, but from there, I'm actually we'll do Sweet Chef. So this comes in the cutest little, it's like a cute little gift pack for the holidays at Morphe. So check it out. I'm gonna do the Ginger Shot Vitamin C Serum first. You're gonna crack up how I put this on my face. It's all good. I don't want any of it winding up on my fingers. Just, I feel like that's where a lot of stuff winds up. Like all your expensive serums and stuff like that wind up on your fingers if your fingers are dehydrated. So I like to just put it directly on the skin. And then I'm just gonna use just the teeniest amount of the Superfoods Vitamin C Moisture Boost. I will just dive right in with skin because I'm not doing like a ton on my face just in general. I feel like you can really just get into skin pretty quickly, and then you can go in and do the eyes after the fact. So this is my Continuous Protection Sensitive Skin SPF. Just gonna put that all over. Okay, so from here, I'm actually gonna use my Studio Tech. This is old school. I don't even think they carry it anymore. But so funny, after like years and years and years of working with MAC, I randomly found this NW33. No joke. I feel like it matches my skin perfectly. I mentioned this before in a past video, but it literally is like my skin tone. I'm a little lighter now from the winter, but in the summertime, it is like the perfect tone for my skin. I just always want to find something that feels like I am just like painting like my actual skin back onto my face. I'm just doing the Prolongwear. This is NC30 all over the eye. This is my trick when I don't want to go in and do like a second eyeshadow base. Okay, since it is a little bit more of like winter time, I'm going to use this guy, CoverGirl, found at the grocery outlet for $2.99. I just go in with the fingertip and kind of do my contour. The bronzer shade in here might be a little bit too light, we'll see. And if so, I'll just probably replace it with a different color on top just to warm up my skin. And this is just the highlight that's in the palette as well. I'm doing this one. Just a little nervous of this bronzer, but we'll try it. It just looks very gold. It might look like a, okay, yeah, well, whatever. That's fine, we'll roll with it. I'm gonna use Uber Beige. This one is by Bobbi Brown. I'm gonna do this brush, so it's like a mixed synthetic brush. There we go. So this is like a nice kind of bronzery feel. Get some color back into my skin. And we're apparently going all cream today, guys, which my skin I feel like I'll be fine with because I don't have super oily skin. If you had super oily skin, I would not advise this. Don't do it. But for me, because I'm really dry, it should be fine. Okay, so skin's pretty much done. I'm gonna hop in, we'll do some brows. Morphe 2 in Blonde. This one, I really like this product. So this is gonna be in replace of my soap brow. It has a tint to it, so it's actually gonna color my brows and keep them in place. Don't go too wild with this because it will get the product like way above your brow, and instead of it looking like cool and like almost like avant-garde, it just looks like you messed up. So just make sure you are mindful with your placement. If you get a little too high above there, you can kind of just take your fingertip like I did. Hazelnut pencil. Just gonna go in and just create a little bit more structure, kind of where I see it lacking. So now we're gonna dive into shadow. I'm gonna use the MAC Light Medium, the Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. This color, I believe, is the first color. This one right here is Taupe. A contour pulls the eye backwards because again we want it to recede where we don't want the emphasis, and then we'll highlight where we do want the emphasis, i.e. probably brow bone and the lid. And I just take whatever's left on my brow and kind of go around the top of that shadow, blend it out. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Okay, now I'm just gonna we'll do kind of like the pinkier tone color in here. So it's this one right here. Brighten up the brow bone there. And I'm gonna do that same color here on the lid. Next, we're gonna go in with, this one is Constructivist with MAC. I'm not even too sure if they still carry this, but this is going to be our liner. I'm hoping it's dark enough, we'll see. But just very like coppery. Now as I'm aging, I always want my little tail of my liner to go up. Everything in makeup has to go up when you get older, guys. I'm just gonna do that cute little corner wing that you're seeing a lot of. It's so funny, I was looking at my photos and I did that little corner wing liner where I was just on the corner years ago in 2012, ahead of my time. But I always have liked the look of just a really thin line. If you notice, none of my videos I really ever do like a super thick liner, just not my aesthetic. This is the new Make It Big mascara from Morphe. I like to take it, run it through the lash and then pull it out. I'm gonna go in, this one is my favorite, Sweet Tea by Morphe. Okay, and then Nabla, Tina, and Fetish Mauve. You guys know how I love good mauve. Guys, I think this is it. Really super simple. Just running errands, you're not even gonna see my lip. Oh, thanks again to Invisibobble. They gave all of our Morphe babes, the Morphe artists and people who work there, this number, which I'm obsessed with, but that's supposed to be less damaging. We'll kind of brush out this hair here. And you guys know I am not a hair person, so I kind of just brush it out, tame it a little bit, and keep it moving. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this super fast tutorial. Just getting out of bed, getting your mind right, believing that you have a plan and a purpose. It's not over now. Just keep on pushing through. If you get through this, you can get through anything. All right, guys. Love you.